18, it'll go to McGarrett-Kings. He'll field it at the 9. Here goes McGarrett-Kings. There goes McGarrett-Kings. Could we have a return? No, but he'll be brought down by number 32, Derek. His receivers in forward motion. Aiken, first play of the game, end zone touchdown, Keyshawn Taylor. The first play from scrimmage of the Kinetic sends the receivers in motion. There'll be a handoff to Kerrigan. Kerrigan gets brought down. A big hit. Kinetic sends the receivers in motion. A handoff to Rankin. Taylor receivers in motion. Aiken looks to throw. Got over the middle. Caught by Saunders. Is it? Yes. Touchdown. Trayvon. Receivers in motions for receivers to the left. Stemeti looks over the middle and intercepted. Mason Gray the fourth. Snap to hand. This one's picked off. Mason Gray again. Into the end zone. Touchdown. Blizzard. Mason Gray, the former Albany Great Dane, has a defensive touchdown. His second interception of the night. And Kerrigan back to receive. This one's high, and it'll be fielded by Stokes. It's lost. It's still loose. Recovered by who? Who will it be? Who comes out of the pile? It'll be Green Bay. A touchdown? Or will it be a 1-point Rouge? Recovered by Green Bay, touchdown! Unbelievable, what a kick by Henry. Board, Aaron Aiken, it'll be a quarterback draw, he'll go up. Aaron Aiken still on his feet, down the left sideline, Aaron Aiken knocked. No running back, a handoff to Keyshawn Taylor. Keyshawn Taylor cuts it up, touchdown Blizzard! Keyshawn Taylor will run. Up in this one, it's just gonna be a squib. It's going to stay in play. Trayvon Saunders has green grass. There goes Trayvon Saunders. What's on a move? Trayvon Saunders! One man to beat. Touchdown, Blizzard! The defending special teams player of the week takes it in the end zone. Trayvon Saunders. A little trickeration. It's a screenplay to Trayvon Saunders. Trayvon Saunders still on his feet. It'll be a pitch out to Kerryon Moore. Kerryon Moore has space into the end zone. Touchdown, Blizzard! Kerryon Moore took the option play into the end zone for a touchdown. Receivers go in motion. May's going to keep it. There goes Damian May. He's got the speed. There's the receivers in motion, takes the snap. Fake pitch out. Goes over the middle. Wide open touchdown, Eric Thomas. His first in a Blizzard uniform. And it's now a 3-point ball. It is going to be an onside kick up in the air. Who will it be? Is it Blizzard football? I think it's Blizzard football. The Blizzard have the football. Motion. Damian May, botch snap. May trying to get out of it. He's going to throw downfield. Keyslow Smith has the catch. Keyslow Smith, touchdown Blizzard. What a throw by Damian May to Keyslow Smith. Two receivers to right, they go in forward motion. Snap to May. Downfield pressure's on deep. Downfield, Keyslow Smith. Did he have the catch? Touchdown, Keyslow Smith! Wow! What a throw from Damian May. Keyslow Smith up. Downfield. He's got Eric Thomas. Touchdown, Blizzard! The former Nebraska 10. Oliver is going to drop back. Look downfield, and no one's there. It's going to be a leaping interception by Corey Turner. Turner's going to take it upfield. There goes Corey Turner. He's got blockers. A convoy. Corey takes the snap. It's going to be a pitch out to Kerryon Moore. He'll just walk in untouched. Kerryon Moore. He's going to do that back. Aaron Thomas again. And a late hit. That draw flag at will. Kerryon Moore. Nothing but green grass. Touchdown. Green Bay, a front flip into the end zone. Quarterback draw. It's unblocked. It's going to be returned. Let's see what Malik Reeves can do. Malik Reeves down the sideline. Into the end zone. That's going to be 2 points. Malik Reeves still on his feet. Malik Reeves sideline. Yeah. Pressure's on, hit and sack for John Emery.
Moves off to carry on. Moore breaks it out to the side. Moore, one play, one touchdown for the second straight week. The Stone Home Brewing Company and West River Chiropractic. Able to pick up a fumble on a kickoff the last time around. This time, Thomas Jr. bulldozes his way to the end. Stevetti, a perfect 4 for 4 so far. Looking end zone. 4 for 5 and an interception to boots. Player getting inducted into the Hall of Fame. Stevetti lost it on the cockback. Ball still being fought over. May fakes the pitch. He's got a lane. Oh, and he's got the juke. Scores last week. Takes to the right, gets submarine by Emery. Sacked. Emery there. Dials one up over the middle. Picked off. He's got blockers in front. It's the opening week of the season. May tells the official.
And there he goes, inside Sugar Skull territory. Another short field set up by hand off to Moore. Sean Taylor, touchdown Blizzard. Damian May on the got Eric Thomas in the end zone, touchdown Blizzard. Eric Thomas. Out to carry on Moore. Here comes carry on Moore trying to cut it back. He's still loose. Downfield pressure's on. He's going to step up and run. Walks into the end zone. Touchdown Blizzard. Damian May takes off and runs. In motion. May takes the snap looking downfield and is caught. Eric Thomas. Touchdown Blizzard. Forward motion. It'll be a screenplay. Eric Thomas, his third? Yes. Eric Thomas. Touchdown Blizzard. Sends the receivers in motion, takes the snap. Fake handoff, he'll drop back, looking downfield. Right into the hands of Mamadou Mbai. Mamadou Mbai still on his feet, still going. And he'll be... The receivers in motion. Handoff, carry on Moore, touchdown Blizzard. First play, touchdown. Makayo sends this one back for Trayvon Saunders. He'll field it. Saunders has space. Trace Saunders. Powell looking downfield. Got a man. Picked off Bakari Triggs, his first of the year. Bakari Triggs down the right sideline. There goes Bakari Triggs and is wrapped up in Rattler territory. That might be the spark of look. Down 27. Handoff, carry on Moore. He's got space in front of him. Carry on Moore. He's got a blocker. Carry on Moore. Touchdown Blizzard.
That right there is what Green Bay needed to start the second half.
And there goes the flip. Carry on Moore with a Marshawn forward motion. Snap to May. May stepping up, pressure's on. He's got a clean pocket. He'll throw. Caught. Carry on Moore. What a play by Damian May to extend the play and carry on Moore. He's got green grass. There goes Trey Saunders. Trey Saunders into the end zone. Touchdown Blizzard.
Well, I was going to say you need a quick score. Well,
there you go. A quick score by Trey Saunders. Hands it off to Nick Lassane. Lassane fumbles. Ball is loose. Do the Blizzard have it? Yes. Blizzard forces it. Caught over the boards. Yes! Touchdown Keyshawn Taylor. What a catch by Keyshawn Taylor. Cuts back. Still on his feet. There goes Carry On Moore. Still going. Is he in? Touchdown Blizzard. Moore running downhill, cuts it back, still on his feet, tackled inside the 15 of this drive. May takes a snap, looks downfield, has Keyshawn Taylor in the end zone, touchdown. Blizzard, a flag is down, however. From his own side of the field, takes a snap. Pressure's on, looking downfield, he'll just heave this one, that one, cut! Keyshawn Taylor. Coming for Bismarck. Stemetti looks downfield. That one intercepted. Bakari Triggs again, his second interception of the season. Set. Now it is. Bulls. Downfield has a man open. Eric Thomas, touchdown Blizzard. First down and 10. Stemetti under center, hands it off. Brought down in the backfield by David Fox. Look downfield, has a man open. And Brooke Bowles in the end zone. That one picked off! Picked off! Mamadou Mbai into the end zone. Is he? Downfield has a man. Touchdown, Keyshawn Taylor. Goes over the boards, but a touchdown. That was. Kick it to him. Neal drops back, looks downfield, broken up, picked off. Taken back the other way, that one. 10, he's under his forward motion and takes a snap. Looks downfield, steps up, he's going to take off and run. Block played by Moore, going into the end zone. Touchdown Blizzard. Brooklyn. Neal hands off to the volley. Volley wrapped up again. Right up. Motion Bulls takes a snap. Drops back, rushes on, looking downfield, has a man again. Keyshawn Taylor. Taylor into the end zone. Touchdown Blizzard. One play, one score. Brooke Bowles. Wrapped up in the backfield. Neal takes a snap. It'll be a play action. Pressure's on. He'll spin out of it. Emery getting after him, and he will be thrown down. A huge loss. Conference final. And up Carry On Moore on his way to the end zone. He is in. Touchdown Blizzard. They quickly reclaim the lead right back. Take off and run. Is he going to get in? Yes! Brooke Bowles. 2-point conversion successful. Mary runs up, takes this one away, and we are underway from Green Bay. Trey Saunders will field the end zone in. He takes it out. Space up with takes a snap. It'll be a big pitch out. More downfield. Off receiver. Off to Carry On Moore. He's got space. There goes Carry On Moore. Still working. Takes a snap. Takes the pitch out to James. Looking down the field. Pressure's on. Going deep. And that one picked off Malik Reeves. Still on his feet. He fumbles the football. Dives on. Take off and run.
Fires quickly and the pass is picked off.
Yeah, Bowles does a really good job here, faking the pitch there to Taylor for the first touchdown. And then Green Bay makes another big-time play there by Taylor.
The return by Triggs across the 20-yard line, shares the tackle across to the left. Fake to Moore, goes to the end zone. Touchdown, it appears. Let's get the signal. It is a touchdown.
A lot of time on the clock there.
And he kicks it on the ground, and it's fielded by Keyshawn Taylor. Taylor on the run, Taylor to the end zone. So it backfires. Minutes left in regulation. Play action fake to Cavallo. Throw to Cavallo, too tall.
And the 50-50 on the QR code battle of who's going to score first. Green Bay's looking to score first. They toss it deep, straight into the boards, and hauled in for a touchdown. Green Bay. Second possession for Bismarck. Here's Allen. Is in trouble, hits the deck. Wallace picks it up. He tumbles, stands, and goes.
Got Coach Shaq up in Spokane. His son Caleb watching Green Bay make a big play here.
Bowles was hit, gives it to Craig, and Craig uses that speed to take it to the house.
Great.
After the Bismarck touchdown, we'll see if Green Bay can respond from its own 5. Bowles wide open, and there is your response. 45 yards to Keandre Craig, his second. Under 3 to go in Bismarck. Final home game for the Bucs this year. Bowles wants the home run for his favorite target. It's 8.
Second and 5 and 7. Benefield, good time. Now scrambles and throws to the end zone, intercepted. Second quarter. Straight forward into the secondary. Bowles left. Two in motion on the far side. Bowles, he's got the snap off. Bowles with a two-step route to the end zone, caught for a touchdown. That is Keandre Craig. Throw, and his carry on Moore, broke a tackle, stayed on his feet to the 20. Bowles for the end zone. Wow. I think that's a touchdown. Craig caught it right on the wall, and he didn't. First and 10 on the yard line. And Damian May comes on, throws, complete. Touchdown. Just like that. Touchdown. Still going. 10. Out of bounds and flip. Oh. Still thinking about running. Still running. And touchdown. Nice touchdown. One time.
Bowles kept it. Beautifully done, Brooke. You got to think with the quarterback inconsistency this year, you'd like to see the receivers help those guys out. Look at carry on Moore. How's that for help? All the way for the touchdown, diving in. See, all season scored a season low 20 last week. This week they're above 30. What a catch.